Why did I say that? What the fuck?
Yeah, why did you say that?
I don't know.
Hello, everyone. Ridley Drinks Coffee's here.
I'm still captured.
Yep, and now we're doing the next stage. Briefing. Now we can actually read this.
Can we read it?
Yes, we can read it. Roommate just walking through, closing the door. Let's review Gunvolt. You hit the island at Han and draw Sumeragi's fire. While they're occupied, we'll sneak and hack the controls for the Babel.
Oh, okay. I was like, don't you mean battle? No, but I know what battle is. Okay.
Once we command the space elevator, we can send you up to the orbital station.
For now.
The mission design will be called Operation Musak. Ha! Nice one. How funny how we're rescuing the girl we tried to kill less than a year ago.
Yeah, it's kind of fucked up.
The params have changed. And Gunvolt needs to finish what he started.
Kill her.
It's his fucking mess. He gets to clean it up.
Just throws on my shotgun.
Funny how it's called Musak, but it's mission streak on this.
Yeah. Oh god, no, legs, stop it. Stop it.
And now, whee!
Okay, so I was about to say, what are those? And I realized they're tanks. Maybe you should just shut up and
Ah, motorcycles! Ah, motorcycles.
Those remind me of Donkey Kong.
Oh, hey, look, the wall again.
There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, wait for my house. Okay, that's great. That happens. Okay. So, you're fighting humans, flying landmines, motorcycles, and walls.
Yep.
It's a sleep. Sorry, I am here, but I'm also like, my face is asleep.
Tristan's in pain. I'll save it.
No.
For some reason, he doesn't like my brand of cure.
It's like every time I come over here, somehow I end up getting tied up. Yeah, that came out wrong.
You end up inside out? Is that what I...
No, that is not what you heard.
I'm gonna say that's what I heard, and we're gonna review the footage.
That'll be great. You're gonna be so happy.
Yep.
No, that also came out.
That guy just reverses slowly. He's not sure how to...
I only know how to drive forward.
Ah!
It's like me driving. I only know how to drive forward.
Out and... Let's go. We jump over all the things.
It's really weird because like some of them make sense. Like, oh, it's a tank. Oh, it's a super soldier. Oh, that makes sense. Then there's this bike.
Yet it's a robot.
Still.
Giant ass robot. The power. Oh, if you guys want to, if you want to know how the weapon is, you'll just have to watch the video and we pause in the exact moment.
Oh yeah.
Because that explained how the gun works.
Yeah. And now you have those. What are those?
Those are sentries. Oh yeah, by the way, jumping pushes you forward because there's wind physics now.
Oh, that's good. It's kind of like Shovel Knight. We still need to finish Shovel Knight. God, if only the other players could be
Whee! Oh, fuck you, motorcycle! Fuck you, motorcycle!
whenever you're driving. Fuck you, motorcycle.
How did I do that?
I'm not gonna lie, there are times where I'm playing games, I'm like, I don't know how that happened, just go with it.
Hey, more tanks!
Yay, more pink. I'm pretty sure that's like the way version of it or something.
Hey, picture piloting this thing. It's like just seeing Gunvolt, it's like, I'm dead.
I'm betting like the person lays down where the helmet is. You know? Does that make sense? Or no?
I don't know. No! Fuck you, bitch.
But, well, I mean, if we're going into that territory, then we have to question that. You know more about this world than I do.
Yeah. Alright, and now we...
Okay.
Astro Spear!
I was like, which one was this? Was this the giant sword one where it's just like, sword?
I remember that Merrick stage. I remember accidentally doing that because I was looking at you and talking to you.
It was funny. Sword.
Oh look, Gatling gun.
No.
Whee! Oh no. Whee! Oh shit. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh no.
I'm imagining you on a mission now. It's just like every time you come across somebody, you just go, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it.
Poor Gunvolt. Oh yeah, he's actually just 16.
Oh.
I mean, it was 14.
I was like, isn't he 14?
Yep.
Because he showed me the beginning of the anime, and I'm like, oh, this would look cool, but
Hey, it's not as hey, it's not as bad as Zonda.
That's true. That is true.
Your laser can't hit me here.
You learned your laser cannon.
Whee!
Oh no, you covered the spikes area.
Oh, I killed it mid-jump. Okay.
Is it this one? Okay, I was wrong. I swear, I need... I just suck at this.
Alright, it's dead once more. Woo.
Then there's a third.
I have no health.
Good. You made it through this, is what I'm saying, not like...
Good, you almost died.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a shield.
And
Fuck.
the minigun.
Yep, fuck its shield.
Oh, that was a chain. Imagine if they had a chainsaw.
Ow. That was my back, sir. I'd appreciate you not striking it. Oh, God. Yeah, fuck you.
Don't those use... Oh, I was the stupid one. I kind of like how it shows, like, that... Oh, you were walking, like, right there, you know?
Yep, I leveled up again.
Yeah.
Nothing new. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, I made it. No, fuck it. Ah, it's a motorcycle again.
Not a motorcycle.
My one weakness, I can't keep up with it. Oh yeah, back at full health. God damn it.
Do you want more tanks?
Tanks, tanks, tanks.
Okay. I was seeing if I have just enough. I don't know if I have... You know, maybe I should tell them something. I'll be right back. I'm still here.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Okay, so... Oh, you're on.
Alright, and once again we jump into danger and use Astrosphere.
Spikes! Something out of nowhere.
This isn't the quote-unquote hard mode,
Oh, God.
where those are insta-kill.
Oh. At least it's not a one-health place. Oh, God. Trying to do the challenges on that list.
You know, fuck that. I hate some of these challenges. Yay, we're at the boss.
Thank God.
You know, after 3 fucking tanks.
Yeah. You need more tanks, don't you? Here you go.
Yo, bitch, I heard you like tanks. Stop it!
Heard your talk.
And...
Oh, yeah.
couldn't you have stayed home and watched videos of cats or something?
No.
Where's Joel? Don't make me ask twice. I'm not afraid to kill you again.
For the third time.
I brought her to Firmament, obviously. She's in outer space, man. I went surfer, dude.
No.
Look, here's how it is. Nova's a pretty alright dude, you know, for bringing me back from the dead.
Oh, okay, he's pretty alright.
It's pretty alright. So as much as I'd rather be vegging out, I kinda owe it to him to kill you now. Oh, kinda.
Well, I mean...
Life for a life. You know what? I can see his logic. Let's just jump into the pit. Ah!
Oh, yeah. I was about to say this.
Yep, it's his fight all over again. Except the difference is, you have edges. See those edges? You can fall off those.
Yeah, do those possibly. Yeah, you have to restart. I'm betting yes, actually, no, I think betting.
Yeah, you can, because there's also wind physics here.
Yeah.
The fist of doom. Enough of your fists. I'm fine.
Jesus.
Oh shit! Oh shit! This is not okay, Merrick. Merrick, we need to have We need to have a chat.
It was just calm, and it was just like BAM!
Not again!
I saw the wormhole open. I was like, "You are gonna get it."
And asshole! I thought you were gonna just go straight to Lazy Laser. Oh. You know, I say it and it appears. You know what? Mine's better, bitch! Look, Kalaba!
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Oh,
you
God.
need to heal.
Oh, this is a bad place to be.
Yeah.
Invincibility frames, though!
Oh, Jesus.
Oh
Okay.
god, Anthem, do not pro.
Okay, I'm gonna look away. So
Ah! Oh, I still have health. I still have health. Oh no! Come on, recharge faster. Oh yes, I killed him with the gun.
Okay. I was looking away because I know to go at worst times.
Yep, I win, bitch. Fuck you.
And there we go.
Yep, now he's actually dead.
Grab the piece of the sword and walk away so he doesn't come back.
I'm heading to Babel.
Oh, what if you make a sword combined of all the other swords?
I think that actually that comes up.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. Anyway, this is gonna be the shorter episode because we got to review all of our things. And
Just it didn't record.
I will be pissed, but you know what? We will see you guys next time.
Okay.
Say bye, Tristan.
Rescue me, for God's sakes.
Oh, he's so funny.